Hello everyone, this is Andy. Today we are here with the Toyota Land Cruiser Prado LC250. It is equipped of the powerful 2.4 engines. And this car is installed off-road rooms and off-road tires. The size is the R18 inches. And today we are going to install our ICOOH latest new product, the DM6 and the DT4A. The front is installed the DM6. It's our latest new model 6-piston. This is the large 6-piston, but it can fit on the small rooms. For example, the R18. And this is our company special design for the Land Cruiser LC200, LC250 and the Land Cruiser 300 too. And about the new product for the front ranger is coming soon too. And about the rear wheels, we install our DT4A, include the EPB together. It means the electric handbrake and with the 4-piston is together. It is reduce the install times and reduce the failure rates too. So let's do it now, see how it looks after install. Let's go. And you can see this the DM6 motor, the brake key is connected together, so you don't need to extra the brake keys. And now we're installing the DT4A on the rear, the EPB now. Now we are installed finished already the latest Prado LC250. The front we are installed our DM6, the latest 6-port design. This is a big 355mm brake disc, you can see that. And about the rear wheels, we install our latest 4-piston EPB calipers, the DT4A with the brake disc size of 355mm. So this is our Land Cruiser Prado LC250 install case. And see you next time. We have the more information for you. Okay, thank you so much.